The extended COVID holiday ends tomorrow and parents are busy sending children back to school. Some pupils are forced to travel long distances to boarding schools, mostly by means of public transport. At the Van Hill loading zone in Windhoek, a group of would-be travelers were stuck as bus drivers refused to move. Considering the fuel price and other bills and services, they argue that it is simply not sustainable to travel with too few customers on board.
But unfortunately,
you have a fuel account of $10,000 on a petrol bus. You have a 9,500 on a diesel bus. That is the expense of the fuel every month. You will not pass that amount. Then comes the service of the bus. Then some of us are unlucky. The bus is still, you're still paying the bus. So where is that money coming from? Never have the government assist the public transport. So that is what we are concerned. The bank is coming and take our buses now. Last year, on the beginning of August, I must give one of my buses. I only have 2 months left to pay. I must give the bus back. I will think like we decide here. From tomorrow morning, we will stop driving. We will just stop driving. I mean, we will not go and close the road. We will not go and chase cars who drive to Windhoek. No. We will just quickly, quietly park our buses.
Parents' concern, on the other hand, was in the delay the limited seating causes in getting their children to school.
A robot, and then we have been here since 8 till now. They are telling us that in each bus they are only going to take 8 children in each bus. So now we don't get it because children are a lot, and okay, my mask is big. Children are a lot, and by taking each children in each bus, it might take long, and some of them might just reach in the night or something like that. And now we don't get it because maybe they are taking each children in 8 children in the bus because of social distancing. What about at school? Since they are going to go in the same room, in the same class, are they going to put 8 children in the room? I don't understand really to divide the kids on the transport. What's the difference to divide them if they are sharing the bed to the school, they are sharing the hostel? What is I don't understand really what is the difference. Huh? They are sharing 3 or 2 in same bed. It is better to take the kid to the hostel on the same time.
NAPTA Secretary General Pendapala Nakathingo also showed up at the scene, explaining that the union had written to government with several suggestions to meet transporters halfway, but said they are still waiting on government's response.
we are trying our level best to mitigate the situation. You see, our operators are trying their level best because as of now, with these COVID-19 challenges, loading half of the number in the buses, that's a regulation from the government. There is no any intention to go outside the regulations or to violate the COVID-19 regulations, but we have to abide to such regulations. But the problem and the serious situation is that, as you see now, that today is the beginning or starting of the school holiday, ending of the school holiday, where the students go back to school. Now the challenge is that, as you can see, the kumbis and the situation is overcrowded, not only here, but it's all over the country.
Nampol's Commerce Regional Commander Deputy Commissioner Ismail Basson, however, made it clear that the police will not compromise on the regulations. If found overloaded, Basson says the driver will be dealt with according to the law. Daniel Nadung, NBC News, Windhoek.